Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about 8-channel infrared remote control relay model. It can be used for home appliances, industrial automations and other controls. Let us learn about full operation with demo of the relay model. Let us know about the IR relay model components. Then bottom side 2-pin input connector for 12 volt AC or DC supply. Left side top relay for channel 1 and channel 2, channel 3, channel 4 with respect to LEDs, and right side top relay for channel 5, 6, 7 and 8. 3-pin RMC connector for sensor module, microchip IC and LCD 16 into 2 lines. Sensor module TL1838 IR receiver model with 3-pin RMC cable assembly. IR transmitter model, yes, normal TV remote NEC protocol type. We use in few keys only. Transformer, primary 220 volt AC 50 Hz, secondary 12 volt 1 amps. All connections has been given in the model. 12 volt supply and 3-pin connector for sensor module, remote control as transmitter. Now switched on the receiver module, then display shows C S channels 1 to 8, S status 0 is off, 1 is on. Now we are going to operate each channel separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and off reversely. We are now going to turn on all channels in one moment and then off one moment. We are now going to look at the sleep mode timer function in this model. Press the sleep mode key for time setting. Time 0 to 240 minute maximum. Adjust by volume plus volume minus keys. Then mute key using for timer on off. Now timer is on with all channels for testing. Now 5 minutes is setting.